In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to get BlueChew prescription ED meds. I'll cover everything that you should know about the sign-up process and how it works. But before we continue, if at any time during this video you decide to give BlueChew a try, then click the link below to get the best price available. First things first, you'll want to go to BlueChew's website and hit the Get Started button. You'll find different medications and plans to choose from, each designed for your needs. As you look through the options, remember that all the plans come with an online ED consultation with a licensed medical provider. Plus, if you're a first-time user, you can get a $20 off on your first subscription with that discount link. The next step is to create an account. This part is easy. Just fill in your personal information and confirm your age and location with your state ID. After setting up your account, you'll need to fill in a medical history questionnaire. Take your time with this and be honest. You should include all the details about your medical background, since this helps make sure you get the right care. Once you submitted your questionnaire, you'll be connected with a medical provider. Being honest again is important here. This way, the doctor can find what works the best for you and give you the BlueChew prescription that fits your lifestyle while keeping side effects low. After your consultation, you'll have to wait to be approved. This usually takes 24 hours, and in my case, it was a bit faster. Once you're approved, your medication will be shipped right to your door in the discreet packaging, so your privacy is protected. Just so you know, shipping isn't included in the plans, but it is affordable since it usually costs $5 each month. While that's not a lot, I just want to mention, BlueChew also has a faster shipping option, including next-day delivery. All in all, I like how smooth and easy BlueChew prescription process was. There's minimal communication after the first consultation. The medical provider you get assigned are professionals, and it's done discreetly. So if you're interested in trying BlueChew right now, click the link in the description below to get the best price available. Thanks for watching. Bye.